Hi, this is Brian Gorecki from MultiTaction, the Director of Customer Success here at InfoComm 2026. We're here to show off our MT Showcase digital experience software. So we at MultiTaction made Showcase to be able to display lots of rich, high-quality content to engage customers and very easily keep your content up to date, current, and relevant for the story you're trying to tell. So Showcase uses a browser-based editor to click and drag, very easily drop in your media and create many apps for different purposes, different customers, different tours. And our primary customers for Showcase in particular are lobby and experience coordinators, museums, anywhere that you want to stay very, very up to date and current without having to outsource to a software house. So you can see we've got a custom MultiTaction demo app, but we can switch to another app made on the same no-code platform Showcase. This one was to show off some Formula One racing media, including some object recognition to pull up driver info and just kind of delight and engage your customers. And for more info, you can find us at www.multitaction.com.